guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Christine, stop. Oh my God, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing our part 2 of doing a rocket, and like she's here.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. Rocket ready. You can see here we have this is the launch pad. You go over here. There's a wire here you can see, and where's this end? Oh, I stepped in. This thing here, no, put it down. This thing here, you put that in there. Nope.
I'm not gonna put it in.
Put it in there. And then you press that button right there. Yeah, that one. And then, yeah, like that. And then you press that button, and then the rocket goes whoosh. Yeah, and that's how it goes. Yeah. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Oh no, that's coming for me. Where'd it go? I'm pretty sure I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, look, he caught it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Uh-oh. Yeah, nice job, guys. Sea engines. Sea engines are like the biggest engines and the best engines. Yeah, they're so big. They go so high. The smaller rocket, we're doing the starter rocket. It goes like 1,120 feet. It's like nuts. Yeah, it's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be nuts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, I can't see it.
Really high. It's still going down.
Oh, dude, that's gonna take so long to get out. Oh my gosh.
Oh God, it's gonna take forever. If it goes over there, I'm gonna be so surprised. Where is it? Oh my God, it's going over there. It's going to the battle fort.
It's going to the fort. This isn't good.
Oh no, what if the killer snake is over there?
There's no killer snake.
Remember the rat snake?
That's in the other fort. Oh wait, that was in that snake.
Oh my God, it's actually landing there.
Oh my God,
I'm going over there.
Oh my gosh, it went so far.
I'm going over there.
It landed on, did it land on the fort? Oh my God, that's nuts. I almost actually lost the rocket. Luckily, it landed right next to the trees. It almost landed in the tree.
Oh, so yeah, it landed all the way over there.
There's a fort somewhere.
Standing, like right there, and it
Yeah,
went all the way over there.
We were standing like over there.
You see that like battle fort over there?
Yeah, you see that battle
It
fort?
landed on top of it, and it almost went into the wood.
Yeah, almost landed in the woods. Dad said that he actually lost most of his rockets when he was a kid in trees. Yeah, we have 2 more rockets, but we're afraid of using them because, like, we're gonna. Yeah.
We'll shoot it at an angle.
Yeah, we shoot at an angle. That was nuts. We almost lost it.
We're
Like,
migrating again.
migrating? I think that's west. It's west. Yeah, I'll bring it. So we got a solution that we're gonna shoot it right up at an angle that goes towards our mom all the way over there near the cars. And so we just hope that doesn't do the wrong thing and land in one of those trees.
Yeah, we don't want to lose a rat.
I'm sacrificing. I'm sacrificing my poor rocket right here, my fellow friend.
Say goodbye to the rocket.
Yeah, it might die. It might die. Kiss it. Huh? No, I'm not kissing a rocket. What are you thinking? Yes, I'm serious. I actually wasn't filming, but we were able to get the rocket from over there somewhere, and it landed over here. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It's really far. Did it not? If I was filming that, it would be so high. We're gonna do it again? Wait, we are? At least we know the angle's correct. We should. Yeah. It needs memory, and mine's younger, so it needs more time to live. More. Come on. When are we there yet? Apparently the rocket survived, and I'm actually kind of like happy about that, but come on guys, I'm coming.
The rocket survived.
Agreed. It's what? Of course it does. We just shot a motor or something, whatever it's called. And then this is the survival rocket. Yeah. Survived. It survived, okay? Okay,
But what sucks is that Christine didn't get it on camera.
I'm sorry, okay, children?
Oh God.
I really hope you're not the bad luck charm. I'm so scared. This could be the moment. It will end. Yeah, it might be the moment that my rocket might just die. Yeah, it might get dead. Operation success. My rocket actually survived, and we're gonna sacrifice it once more.
I have to launch it.
Yeah, she's gonna launch it. I'm afraid she's gonna kill it.
I will not. I will try to not.
Okay, you won't kill it, okay?
God, imagine we were doing a video to rocket dive.
Yeah. Oh my God, that'd be so funny. I only have one other rocket. This is only the beginner's rocket. I mean, I wonder how far the other rocket would go. It would go like, it might land on somebody's roof. Like, that's across the whole park. It's nuts. So you can see it's pointed at an angle. So it's pointing that direction up there. And with luck, it will survive. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't see it. I can't see it. I can't see it. It didn't. You didn't. You didn't destroy my rocket or lose my rocket. Yay! Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks. Bye, guys.